Very honored to receive you here this morning. Some of you have been here several times on different occasions, particularly the older ones who are here, who've been here with sports organization to come and present their iTatau. They've heard me talking to the different teams that they've accompanied here about what Fiji expects of you, what I expect of you, and what you expect of yourself. The majority of you are beginning your international careers in sport. The majority of you. The field there is wide open. But whether you're beginning your career now or you're an old person, much older, everything is based on the training that you've done before. And I hope that's what you've done. The hard yards. Because those hard yards will hold you in good stead during the competition that you're going to face. And let me tell you, if you don't already know, the competition will be stiff. There's no walkovers, no easy way out. You've got to perform at the best of your ability plus to be successful. You ask the officials in your team who've been through this before. There's no easy way out. But you've done the hard yards, you know you're well prepared. But whatever you do, enjoy yourself as well. You're going to meet others of your age group there who are going to be competing to the best of their ability against you and against the others. But I have faith in you. Your parents, your boom-boos, and your tutus all have faith in you. And I hope you have faith in yourself, because that's where it begins. You have to have the faith in yourself to be successful. We have a great rivalry with the host country, as you well know. It's not only limited to the rugby field in 15s and 7s, in all aspects of life, particularly in sports, whatever sport it is. There is a traditional rivalry between us, Tonga, and Samoa. That was the original competition. And when the rugby players used to go from here to Samoa or to Tonga, the older people used to say, we don't care whether you beat England or New Zealand. You can't beat Samoa and Tonga, you're hopeless. And I know the Tongans say that about the Fijians and Samoa, and the Samoans say that about the Fijians and Tonga. So there you have it, in front of you. But they are not the only teams that we have. There are other teams there, just as excellent, just as well prepared. So you have it before you. You know what to expect, and I don't have any doubt that you will perform well. So good luck, God bless. We look forward to hearing of reports about your performance in Samoa. You're all smiling now, and I know that when you come back you'll be smiling, and we'll be smiling with you. But good luck. Have luck.